compilation for you.
Can you more?
Let it go!
No!
No!
Slime bucket challenge!
Oh, I'm gonna get slimed!
Exactly. So thanks to Simply Kids for sending us these slime. And the reason why we are doing this challenge is for a charity called Action for Children. And if you want to learn more about that, go to
this website.
Right there.
So we will be nominating for this challenge Baby Teeth 4,
Disney Car Toys,
and Kitty's Mama.
So, yeah, you guys have to get slimed. Sorry! Yeah. But we're not, because it's for a good cause, so boom. Thumbs up to that. Alright, so now we are going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who is the first victim
of the slime. Oh, I'm scared!
Alright, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No!
That's cold. Alright, so Sachi is the first slime victim. You ready to get slime?
Yes! I'm scared!
3, 2, 1, slime! Oh my gosh! Slime! Oh my gosh! 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 Oh my gosh!
Oh, this is disgusting! Ew!
Oh, that's
it's
nasty.
chunky slime!
Oh no, it's my turn. Wait, what? No, no, it's not. I didn't say that. Okay, you ready? No, no.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Wait.
Ah, no! Stop! Ew! Oh, why?
Ah, no! No! Ew! Oh, why? It feels like I just took a shower in boogers. What?
Ah, no! Stop! Ew! Oh, why?
What?
Ah, no! Stop! Ew! Oh, why?
Ew.
Ew! Wait!
It feels like I just took a shower in boogers. It's so weird.
Booger!
Oh my gosh. It's going down my back. It feels like a snail mixed with a slug. A snail.
Yeah.
A slug. Snail. I'm good. I'm a D. I'm a da. I'm a D. Don't make us blue. Hey guys! I'm Yumi.
I'm Kimmy.
And I'm Sachi.
Today we're doing the Toy Food Slime Challenge!
Oh, yeah!
Thanks to Disney for sending us the Moana toys featured in this video.
So there will be 6 rounds, and in each round there will be a different blind bag figure in the food slime, and our dad will tell us which one to find, but guys, it feels so weird.
So losers have to dunk their heads into the slime.
No, no, no.
And the winner gets to open up the Disney Moana surprises.
Oh, it's open nose.
You're gonna find Squinky Dewdrops.
No, no,
Three,
no,
two, one,
no. Okay, no. Oh, come on, I was just touching a Squinky.
Wait a minute.
Wait, are you a Squinky?
I think I
Is
got
this a
one.
Squinky?
Wait, check out Kimmy's. Hey, shake it off, Kimmy. What is it?
It is! It is! This is part of one of the play sets, I think. No!
Okay. Gotta get my Game Face on. Gotta
Okay.
do this.
There's 2 left. Alright? Next, you guys are gonna find Twosies.
Choose
Choose
that.
I choose my
Go get it. No.
Nope, Sachi won. Sachi had a Twosies.
Mashed potato.
Okay.
Take that.
Left. last round for the win. So Kimmy and Sachi have 2 each. If you guys get it, you can win. If Yumi, you get 1, you tie. 3-way tie. Okay, you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
The last one is Shopkins Chef Club.
What?
Shopkins Chef Club.
Okay, wait.
Go!
I found it!
No, you didn't!
Yeah! I found it! Yeah! Go!
Let it go! Let it go!
I
Can't
won!
hold it back anymore! Let it go! No!
I win!
I'm wearing the colors of Team Bunny because you know to celebrate her win. Oh
yes!
Yeah! Okay, wait, no. No! It's down my shirt! I'm good! Don't make us blue! I'm potato!
Alright girls, the losers have to dunk their faces into it. Yumi, Sachi, you guys ready? Kimmy, you can push their heads in. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, 1, 2, oh, she's wait. Gun. Okay. Blue. Potato, 1, 2, potato! Potato! Potato!
Oh yeah! Oh, Shopkins.
So now Kimmy's gonna go open her toy and I'm gonna go attempt to get cleaned up.
Me too.
We'll probably fail.
Me too.
Yeah, potato.
I won too.
Hey guys, I'm Yumi.
And I'm Sachi.
And we love watching the Nickelodeon Kids Choice Award.
Just for the slime.
Just for the slime. Exactly. Yes. Sliming people is the best part.
And we decided to make our own Nickelodeon slime. So we're gonna look at that slime. So I'm ready.
Oh, she's ready. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Gotta get extra. Gotta get extra. Don't hang over, you're getting extra. Okay, I'm gonna stick my goggles on. Oh no, it's my turn, Like, kind of just, okay. Okay, excuse-moi. Okay, I gotta get this out.
I don't drop this.
I'm gonna
3, 2, 1.
Wait, I gotta hold from the bottom.
Stop doing that! You're mentally, like, scaring me, Sachi.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no. Okay, you might want to take off your goggles so you're not running around like a crazy, scary slime monster. Whoa, oh my gosh! Hey guys! I'm Yumi.
And I'm KidToyTesters Sachi.
What was that? Anyways, can you guys guess the theme of today's video? It's My Little Pony. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. It's Ghostbusters.
So we have Slimer right here, and whenever you think of Slimer, what do you think of?
Slime.
Green slime.
Green slime.
So we'll be doing the pin balloon head pop challenge.
Pinhead balloon pop challenge.
Yes, pinhead balloon pop challenge.
That's its technical name.
Yes.
So, okay, thanks to Mattel for providing the prizes.
And thank you also to Jelly Dash for providing some of the slime.
Thank you.
Jelly stuff.
All right, ready? Watch this. How cool is that?
That is so awesome.
Are you guys ready? So
Yes.
pretty much, we can all look up. So we don't know what we are popping. Could be slime, could be anything for all we know.
Yeah. Let's
Okay,
go.
ready?
I'm ready.
Right. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh!
Is that both of us or one?
I don't know who was. Okay.
Oh no! Oh no! What?
That's Sachi.
Where's the?
Sachi.
Where's the hat?
Sachi.
Where's the?
Sachi.
Where's the hat? Oh! 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 Okay, fine, she's got that. Search for the pin, Sachi. The pin. Hit with the pin. Where's the pin? It's right there. Jump up. Jump up. Okay, ready? Lean your head like that and then just go up. Higher. Come on, Melissa, you just pop it. I can't get it. How many did I get?
Oh my gosh! I think you won!
I have it in my mouth.
Hi, I'm Kimmy, and I'm going to be showing you the slime bag. So thanks to Slime Bag for sending us this. So let's try it out. It's ready. Let's go in. Yeah. Ew. Ew. So slime. Look at all this slime I found. Ew. Ew. Look at that. Ew. It looks like boogers. It looks so slimy and feels so slimy. Ew. Ew, I'm pouring it on me. I'm pouring it on me. Ew.
Do you want to get slime?
No!
Ready to get slime, Kento?
Ew, this looks so slimy.
Sachi.
I'm Yumi.
I'm Kimmy.
And today we'll be doing the Wet Head Challenge Messy Slime Edition. So we will have 6 rounds and
This
they
is
have
round 1.
slime, tons of different colored slime. And how this will be working is whoever gets slime the most
Is the loser.
And whoever gets slime the least is the winner.
Of
And they
this
get to
mystery
open
Pocahontas box.
mystery Pocahontas box from Hasbro. So thank you so much, Hasbro.
And thanks to Zing for saying us this super cool wet head.
So it looks like you're going first.
Yeah. Anyways, here is the wet
thing
head.
that spins.
Yeah, and it spins too, so you get like completely random one. And then right here, Kimmy has the spinner. So okay, I'm gonna spin it. Wait, do you want to spin it for me?
You can.
Okay.
I'll hold
Okay.
the bottom.
Ah! Okay. Pull
One and spin again. So pull one.
Okay.
Oh, I get
I'm
scared.
seriously scared
I'm
too.
moving the
Okay.
box.
Can you help me, Sarge? Wait.
Okay,
pull. Am I safe? Okay. I was
we're
like, no
done.
delayed reaction or anything. Okay.
Any pocket? I don't have any pockets.
Skip turn!
Oh!
Thank you.
So whose turn is it now?
We're going by age, so Sachi.
Please say it's your turn. Please say it's your turn.
Oh no. Hopefully there's like not strong breeze that like blows it in our direction if it does happen.
Okay.
Is it tight enough?
I think. Wait.
Alright. Okay, you might want to spin it and go instead of whoo. Okay, ready?
Pull one and
Pull one pin and spin again. So pretty much that's a pretty popular one.
Yeah. And that.
Do you need help?
It's going down my back!
Oh my gosh,
Oh my.
oh my gosh, it's going through the front. Turn around, Satch, turn around.
It's going. It's going down my shirt.
It matches your shirt. Here we have the first victim of
Oh my gosh, I got totally slimed with this crazy pink slime that matches my shirt. So for round 2, we will be adding green slime, and I really hope I have better luck.
All right, it is round
Turn.
2. You ready?
Or are you nervous? Here you go.
Wait here.
Skip turn.
Oh! Oh no!
It's your turn. I'm safe.
Okay, here you go, Satch. Oh
I'm
no.
safe.
Oh look, there's a rabbit.
Oh, bunny. Okay, you ready?
Whenever we film, there's always a rabbit. And now there's a dog. Okay, ready? That's the face of disgust.
Oh no.
Skip turn!
No!
Okay, can you hold that? Sorry,
I
Sachi.
better get a skip turn.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, I can't get soaked again.
I laugh, we all just got like skip turn and we kept going. Okay, now the birds. What's up with animals today? Okay. Pull.
Oh!
You were so close to reverse. Okay, I'll hold it back.
Pull it out. How do you pull it out?
Pull it out.
Can you pull it?
Yeah. Hold that.
This one. Yes!
She's safe! Okay. What up? Farewell. All right, so
Kimmy.
can we, wait, why is it up there? Okay, yeah, let's push it down. You cheater! Okay,
Let's go.
ready? Spin. Pull one pin. Okay.
Oh no,
That's what you got.
Here.
Do you want help? Which one? That? Okay, here, hold that.
What? Not fair. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Okay, well,
turn. Wait.
my turn? So sorry guys about
Yeah.
the audio. Everyone has decided to mow their lawns today, so
Yeah.
yeah. And all like in nature, like the animals are all like, oh, let's make noise
Like,
right
woo!
now. Right now,
a
let's
bird
do it.
and then-
So
Yeah.
birds don't make that noise. I think only you do.
I'm a mutant bird.
Okay, wait. It's my turn.
2 pins! Oh my gosh.
Today is not a good day for me. Okay. Pin number 1. Am I good?
Yeah.
I was like, because it might be leaking and I don't know.
It's my turn.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
You're not good. There's only 4 to 2.
You might want to stick it on your face.
Oh no, okay.
I literally got the most.
This one, oh no. This one.
That one? Okay. You gotta spin. She's spinning now.
Pull 1 pin, yeah.
Okay, she's pulling.
This
Wait,
one.
turn to the front, turn to the front. Okay, ready?
Okay, I want
pull.
to spin. Can you pull it?
Yo, yeah, hold that.
Pull.
Yes.
I have a bunch of green stuff on me from that.
Okay,
I need to skip.
Kimmy's turn.
I need it.
I look like I hugged the Hulk.
1 pin.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
That one? Do you want that one?
No.
Which one do you want?
This.
She got the pull 1 pin.
Do you need help?
Yes.
Your turn, Yui! Oh yeah, she's digging slightly.
Get pull 2.
Okay.
Get pull 2. Pull 2.
What are you doing?
Pull 2.
I'm
Pull
nervous.
2.
I thought it was leaking.
Pull 2.
So spin.
Spin it.
Take a spin.
I think I put it on too tight. Okay. Might want to move your fingers.
Pull 1 pin.
Wait, where's the other one?
Please get it. I don't want to be.
This one, okay.
I'm guaranteed to get soaked. That's not fair. They got soaked.
I actually thought that was the one that would make it go. And I was like, well, it'd look cool if it looked like I hugged the Hulk. But I'm safe.
Well, now you're gonna be pinkish full.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
Sachi, I'm sorry.
You're mean.
I didn't mean to.
You're gonna be a pink Hulk. Pink Hulk.
Yeah, hold that. I'm sorry.
You're Hulk.
I have it on my face. I thought you were shaking it away. Now don't shake it away.
We're safe.
It's your turn.
You're Hulk.
Kimmy.
Oh, you're the Hulk, Sachi. Look at my face.
Oh my gosh, I have a green face.
Hulk Sassy.
That's not fair. Okay. Your
It's time
turn,
to get
Yumi.
used to that. Okay, now for round 3. Orange slide. Spin, spin, spin. All right, so now it is round 3,
Kimmy's
the orange
turn.
slide.
I'm so.
Right here, I'll move my finger.
Pull 1 pin.
This one.
Okay.
Am I good?
She's safe! Oh, wait, no, that means I have to go now. No, she's
Wait,
not.
there's a little bit of orange on her hair.
Probably from when we put the orange in, Sachi.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, please say you get it. I don't want to get soaked for a 3rd time.
Okay.
Pull 1 pin.
I'm gonna get soaked. What? But I heard like the thing in there slush. And I was like, no. Wait, it's not leaking though?
Not leaking.
I'm sorry, Sachi. I'm really sorry.
I can't get soaked a 3rd time.
You can't say it's my fault if you do get soaked. Oh my gosh, I have orange on me.
I had orange.
I'm Halloween themed.
I'm a pumpkin.
Yeah, okay. Stand forward so they can see your face. That sounds to me. That one?
Yes.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm
Soap the third time.
It was
Your pink Hulk. Okay, I'm definitely gonna lose. Your pink Hulk pumpkin now. Well, it's got a cool rainbow shirt.
That does look cool. Oh my gosh, that's
Pink Hulk pumpkin.
it looks like you swam in liquid cheese.
And Cheetos. Kimmy's turn. So it's round 4 and I've had terrible luck and I'm soaked and I'm rainbow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's Kimmy's turn.
Okay. What'd you get?
Pull one.
Okay.
This. Oh. This. Am I safe?
She's saved! Okay. Wait, is that it's my turn. I don't want to get soaked because I feel like it's gonna be me. Okay.
Pull one and
spin. Ah, why? Okay. I'm going with this one. Ah, okay.
Are you safe?
I'm not safe! I am not safe! I repeat, I am not safe! Why?
Oh. No, purple.
Oh my god! It's going down my shirt! It's in my bag. Don't you dare say that! I'm gonna make sure it goes to you. Like, it feels so gross and so weird and so gross and weird.
Okay, so my shirt. Wait, I didn't know this one.
Okay.
Wait.
That's in the middle. You might want to skip turn!
Yay!
You have to get hit because we have all gotten hit at least once.
Yes.
Okay, here. Oh, Kimmy!
Here.
Is that the one? Okay. Cool. What? She's saying, oh my gosh, there's another rabbit. Why are all the rabbits out when we film?
Oh my gosh. So your turn?
My turn? Okay.
Pull one pin.
Which pin? Which pin? Which pin? I'm feeling this pin. Thank you!
Okay.
Okay, my head is saved. It has been spared for another day. Sachi, I'm sorry.
Sorry, Sachi.
I have like the green stuff all over my hands. And then the purple stuff everywhere. Yes!
Kimmy.
Lucky. Okay.
Skip turn.
What? Why? Okay.
Your turn.
It's all up to me. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Pull 2 pins? What? What sick joke is this? Don't stare at me like that, Sachi. 1 pin down. 1 other pin to go. Wait, how many are there?
4.
4. Oh. I'm gonna go with this one.
Oh my god.
Am I safe?
Is it my turn?
It's your turn. Oh. Thank you, almighty wet head. Okay. Alright. Sachi, you need to spin.
Pull one.
That one? Okay. Do you need help pulling?
Yes.
Okay, hold that.
Here?
Yeah! Okay.
Kimmy.
We're sorry, Kimmy.
Only one pin.
We're sorry, Kimmy.
She's going to be wet. And yeah, sorry for the audio.
Yeah, everyone, literally, everyone has decided to make noise today. And why am I falling? Okay. Okay, I'll turn it so you guys can see.
Wait, it's like in the middle.
She's a unicorn! Oh, you gotta pull one pin, Kimmers.
Oh no.
There's no other thing she could do. It's in the front. I made you a unicorn.
Wait. Wait, what? She's not soft.
Shake her, shake her, shake her.
No. There's no pins. What happened to her? What? There's no pins. I'm sorry. I'm so cute.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to help. All right, guys. I'm gonna show you how to fill a wet head. So first, gonna take off the cap and make sure it's nothing too thick. Otherwise, I'm sorry, I lost my words there. It will clog it up, and also make sure to rinse this out because you don't want stuff from like 80 years ago going on your head because that'd be gross. Okay, now I'm gonna shake this up, which is the best idea I have ever conjured up in my mind. Okay, let's do it. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad! I can't open it! No, what am I doing? Okay, now I'm gonna fill it up, and I'm probably gonna fail this too, so yeah. It's working! And shabam! Magic! Okay, then gonna close it up and probably not shake it again in my face, because that will be a good idea. Then I'm gonna close it up and probably get this stuff on my head, so let's get started. The final round.
Final round, round 6. And it's Yumi's turn.
This is filled with Diet Pepsi, so at least it won't be sticky.
Skip turn.
Yes, please. Sorry, Sachi.
It's my turn.
Boom.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you might want to spin. Wait here.
Pull
one pin. Which one are you gonna pull?
Yes! You're safe.
Okay, she's safe. All right, now
So,
Kimmy's turn.
Spin.
Pull one pin. You want help? Oh, she's got it. Oh! Sorry, I know, we all got it too. I'm sorry. Wait, the test. She smells of Pepsi. Wait a second, so you got how many?
3.
And you got 2, so I got... Okay.
Oh, no,
I would like to thank all those who have helped me get here. So the wet head, the spinner, and my head and fingers. So thank you all very much, and I will take this gift and walk away with it now. Thank you. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and then the bell next to it, and hit the thumbs up.